Hi again. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between great performing teams and teams that don't perform so well? Now, you may have even been in a position where you've been in both of those types of teams. And in this video, I want to share with you some of the keys to building a high performance and winning team in your business. And the first key is brave and courageous leadership. I once heard a quote that a fish stinks from its head down. And what that means in the context of this video is that if there's tiredness in the business, if the business is not performing so well, if there's poor behaviour within the business, you can track that all back to the leader. Now, I remember back in my early business career that because of some of the issues that I was having with my team, I was having a bit of a whinge to my dad. And he said, "Son, do you realise that you get the team that you deserve?" And I said, "No, you don't understand, Dad." And I started to play the blame game. And he said to me, "Who recruited them?" "That'll be me." "Who trained them?" "That'll be me too." "Who's letting them get away with stuff?" "Oh yeah, that's me too." And so it's key to be brave and courageous leader in business, because the way your team will start to respond to the day-to-day issues within the business is going to be a reflection of you, the leader. You are a behaviour mirror within your business, and the business will only grow as much as the leader grows. The next key is to have a shared goal, because if there isn't a shared goal, people will start making up their own goals and they'll go and do their own thing, and if they're doing their own thing, then chaos ensues. But if you can focus your team towards a shared goal, a goal that everyone buys into and everyone can focus on and everyone can head towards, you can truly get to that point of together everyone achieves more. The next key to building a winning team is to make sure that everyone has a clear set of rules to play by. Making sure you've got a defined culture in your business and clearly defined boundaries. What's acceptable versus unacceptable behaviour? How will we treat each other on our team? Now, you find these types of concepts in sports teams and the military, and they use these concepts because they work. They have a code of honour, a code of conduct, for how they can treat each other and also what they can expect from each other. And that way, you can rely on consistent performance standards as part of your business. So your role as a business owner is to set the boundaries for what is acceptable and what is unacceptable behaviour in your business. Make sure it's in writing and get everyone on your team, or every one of your team members, to sign off on it. Make it part of your onboarding process. And what you'll find is the performance of the team will lift because everyone's playing by the same set of rules. Next, we need to ensure that everybody in the business has a clear action plan. And just what is an action plan? Well, it's simply who does what by when. Everyone on the team needs to know and understand their role, the part they're playing. They need to know where they fit in, and they need to know the business playbook, so to speak. They need to know what's going to happen each day, each week, each month, the way they can get into and play the game, so that they can play their part in that winning team. And to do that, they need to understand their job description. They need to know their KPIs or metrics to the role so they can read their own scoreboard and they can see that they've been successful in their role. Another key is to have open communication, making sure that people can speak their mind in a productive way and that team members can call each other out. And if people are feeling down or sad or frustrated, that there's tools within the business to help people communicate openly with each other about the performance of the business. So again, this starts with being a brave and courageous leader to make sure that they're being open and honest about people's performance and being clear on just what's expected. It's the difference between people pleasing and serving somebody. And the more the team can be open with each other and just say, this is what's happening in my world, you'll find the team will gel. It will respond better and can also productively and constructively address any performance issues within the team. There you have it. Some of the keys to building and growing a winning team. Brave, courageous leadership, making sure that you've got a shared goal, a clear set of rules, everyone has a clear plan of action, and you've got open communication channels. It only works, so give it a go. Take this from theory to practice to mastery. Today, not Sunday, because it's going to help you close the gap between where you are now and where you want to go. You will thank me later. So thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to like it and share it with somebody you know that will benefit from watching it. Now you go make it a cracking day.